Hi everyone, my name is Vikas. So I am an investment banker. I hold over 12 years of experience working in this investment banking and financial modeling. Okay. So I'm making this short video for all of those like who are looking to build their career in the field of investment banking and financial modeling. Okay. So this video will also be relevant for those people or those students who are looking to migrate or who are looking to basically switch their fields into like investment banking, who are looking to basically build their career in the field of investment banking and financial modeling and currently working in the other fields of finance. Okay. So in this short video, so we are going to talk about what are the requirement for getting into these kind of job. Okay. So in case you are a fresher or in case you are looking to build your career in the financial modeling or investment banking, so there are some prerequisites or that there are some pre-requirements which employers or these recruitment firms basically looks at. Okay. The first one is basically about your academic background. Okay. So they will check your academic background, the college, university that you're coming from. Okay. So although like this can be overlooked in certain situations, but for bulge break in investment bank or bigger M&A firms, so these firms are specifically looking for your academic background. Okay. Other than that, so there are a few skill set that you will require to basically get excelled in this particular field. So these are like basic to advanced Excel skills. Along with that financial analysis skill, so you should also be having the problem solving skills. Okay. So these are the skill sets that you'll be requiring to get excelled in this skill. Okay. So then along with that, so in case you really want to get shortlisted and in case you want to build your career, so when you'll be applying for these kind of opportunities, so they will be asking you to basically work on certain case studies or aptitude based tests. Okay. So these are the criteria, the shortlisting criteria for these employers when they look for any candidates within these job sets. Okay. So we have talked about like what are the pre-requirements and what are the prerequisites for these kind of jobs. So now we'll be looking at like what are the skill set which is required to become a financial modeling expert. Okay. So the first one is basically about the conceptual knowledge. Okay. So you should have good accounting knowledge. You should have good understanding about the time value of money concept and the basics of finance. Okay. Along with that, the financial statements, like you should have a good understanding of like the profit and loss account, balance sheet, cash flow, how these statements are basically interlinked with each other. Okay. Then you should have basics to advanced Excel proficiency. You should be able to work on VLOOKUP, like basic to advanced Excel formulas such as VLOOKUP, index match, pivot table, conditional formatting, data tool, and so on. Okay. And within the investment banking or financial modeling, so you'll be working on different kind of models depending upon different kind of situations. So these are like DCF, LBO, M&A, three statement models. So these are like different kind of models that you'll be working on as a part of your daily job. Okay. So while you will be working on these models, so you'll be working on some sort of projections. Like when you'll be building these three statement models, so you will be basically doing some projections for the company for the next 5 year, 3 years. Okay. For that reason, so you'll be having good understanding about the business, how the revenue of the company is basically being driven. Okay. What are the costs associated with the business, like what are the different kind of expenses and costs associated with the business. Okay. And on what level, so in case you are moving forward, uh, in case you are looking to enter into the growth stage, so then on what stages the capital investments are basically required from time to time. Okay. So then the finally is like the financial modeling is not just about the numbers. Okay. So you should be good with like how you are presenting your analysis in a dashboard using some dashboard charts or storytelling. Okay. So this is all about, so these are the skill set that you'll be requiring to get enter into this particular field. Okay. So for that reason, so I have just done a quick comparison between two of the best uh, financial modeling and investment banking courses which are available online. Okay. And we will be doing a quick comparison between those, and then so you can take a call like which course will be more suitable for you as per your requirement. So now I'll be moving to do a comparison between both of these courses. Okay. So now we will do a quick comparison between two of the best online financial modeling courses. Okay, so the first one that we'll be looking at is coming from the Boston Institute of Analytics. Okay, so the course name is Financial Modeling and Business Analytics. Okay, so these are the course highlights. Okay, so they are basically providing immersive classroom experience, immersive plus online blended learning, hands-on training by pro financial modelers, 50 plus assignments and case studies, practical hands-on capstone projects, 200 plus hours of learning and practical, 360-degree career support, explosive industry guest sessions, okay, in-person job interview preparation, in-person career mentorship. So all these things that you'll be getting in this particular course. Okay. So if we talk about the content part, like what all that they are covering in this particular course, so they are covering from like in financial modeling and business analytics orientation, and advanced Excel for financial analysis, mastering financial modeling, merger and acquisition overview, advanced M&A modeling, generative AI and prompt engineering in financial modeling and business analytics, introduction to business analytics, data analysis using SQL, Python for finance automation, mastering data visualization, capstone project, career enhancement. So all these things that they are going to cover in this particular course. Okay. So if we talk about the fees for this particular course, okay, so they are basically offering three kind of variants for this particular course. So, okay, so the first one is basically a certification course. So that goes for 4 months. Okay, but in that course, you are not going to have any kind of internship support or the placement support. Okay, so that is a basic kind of course that you'll be getting through this platform. Okay, and the fees for that course is going to be somewhere around 75,000. Okay, then comes the second best. Okay, so that is basically a 6 month diploma in the financial modeling. So in that, so how that course is basically that variant is different from the basic one is, so in this you will be getting, so once you are done with your certifications, you will be getting 2 months of paid internship. Okay, so that is how, like, so the course, the fees for this course variant is going to be somewhere around 1 lakh rupees. So then comes the 10 month uh 10th month master diploma. Okay, so in this variant, so you'll be getting somewhere around like 2 months of paid internship. Along with that, so you will be getting 6 months of on the job training. Okay, so that is something that you'll be getting in the advanced master course. Okay, so that is how, like, their fees is basically spread between 75,000 to 1,50,000. Okay, so that is basically about the Boston Institute of Analytics. So now we'll be looking at one more best course. So that is also offering like comprehensive kind of learning. Okay, so that is basically coming from the IIM Skills. Okay, so the course name is basically about the financial modeling and master course. Okay, so these are the course highlights: 185 hours of course delivery, 100 plus hours assignment, doubt solving classes, 24/7 support, then core capstone project, master certification, 100% job guarantee, money back guarantee, lifetime LMS access, one-to-one mentorship. So all these things that you're going to have in this particular course. On the curriculum part, so basic and advanced Excel, accounting concept and financial statements, ratio and KPI analysis, technicals of financial modeling, different types of model, business valuation, new age tools. So all of these things that you're going to learn in this particular course as well. Okay, so again, this course also comes with a three different kind of variants. So one is the self-paced program, the second one is the master program, and the last one is the job guarantee PG program. Okay, self-paced program is basically that kind of program. So that is basically coming for only 29,900 rupees plus GST. So in this case, you'll only be having access to the pre-recorded videos, and in case there are any doubts comes from those videos, so then you can ask for some doubt solving sessions. Okay, so but in this case, you'll not be getting any kind of one-to-one mentorship, or you'll not be getting any uh, one-to-one sessions or placement or internship kind of support. Okay, but in the case of master programs, you'll be getting paid internship. Okay, so you'll be getting LinkedIn profile optimization. So if you go towards the job guarantee PG program, so here you'll be getting complete package. Okay, so you'll be getting uh, placement assistance, you'll be getting placement portal access, job guarantee, everything you'll be getting in this particular course. Okay, so the fees for this course is somewhere around 1,50,000 plus 18% GST. Okay, and so this course basically comes with a 50% fee refund if you are not placed anywhere. Okay, so these are the feature of this particular course. Okay, so now we will do a quick comparison between both of these courses by looking at some of these parameters. Okay. So here is the comparison between both of these courses. So one is coming from the IIM Skills and the other one is from Boston Institute of Analytics. So I have listed down a few parameters on the basis of which like I have done this comparison. Okay. So the first one is basically about the course depth. Okay. So both of these courses offer similar level of understanding. So both of these courses are basically covering everything from starting to towards the end. Okay. So then that reason, so I have rated both of them as one. So on the Excel skills, so both of them are basically providing with the same level of understanding from basic to advanced Excel skills that you are going to learn in this particular course. So then live sessions, both of these courses offers live sessions as well. So along with that live doubt session, you'll be getting in both. Internship support are basically offered in both. Placement support that you'll be getting in both. Okay, so do not touch the basic level for the comparison. So you'll not be getting any internship or placement support. So for that reason, so I have basically done the comparison based on their middle version, okay? Based on their second version. Okay, so course fees. So the fee for this course is somewhere around like to be similar. Okay, so then course duration is again going to be 4 to 6 months, for both of these courses. So how, if we talk about the money back guarantee, so you'll be getting that money back guarantee in the case of IIM Skills course, but that is not available in the case of Boston Institute of Analytics. Okay, so then in the for the LMS access, so whatever you have learned in this particular course, so you'll be having lifetime LMS access for if you do this course from IIM Skills. Okay, so if you do this course from Boston Institute of Analytics, so then you'll be getting LMS access for the limited time. Okay, so based on these parameters, so IIM Skills scored some out of 10, and Boston and Institute of Analytics has scored 8 out of 10. So based on these comparison and based on my recommendation, so I would request you to go with like IIM Skills. So because this is a better course, and this is available in a lesser cost compared to the Boston Institute of Analytics. And so this is my comparison, this is my self-standing. So and do also, you can also do your own comparison for your own understanding in case there is anything that you need from my end. So feel free to put your comments in the comment section. So thanks for watching the video. I hope you'll find this video helpful.